Hello my dear student. So in this video I'll give some insight about the beta function. Okay. So already you know there are two important functions you have, beta function and gamma function. In my last lecture I had discussed about the gamma function. In this video you will learn some calculation technique or some features about the beta function. Okay. Now please write down beta function. Okay, so please write down the improper integral, the improper integral 0 to 1 x to the power m minus 1 minus x to the power n minus 1 dx is a function of m and n, and denoted by this one b m comma n is known as beta function. Okay, so from here you may write beta mn is equals to 0 to 1 x to the power m minus 1 minus x to the power n minus 1 dx. Clear? Where m must be positive and n also must be positive. So this is the definition of beta function. Okay, please write down. Is it clear? Now you write down some another form of beta function. So this is one type, that is notation, the presentation wise. This is one. So please write down another type. Next line. Shall I move to the next? Okay. So another type you have, another type. Okay. Another type you have, that is beta mn. You may write 0 to infinity x to the power m minus 1 by 1 plus x whole to the power m plus n. One type where n positive and m also positive. Okay, this is number one. Number two, beta mn, another form is 0 to infinity x to the power n plus 1. X to the power n minus 1 by 1 plus x to the power m plus n dx. Okay, so another form you have. This also valid for n positive and m positive. Clear? So try to understand. Main difference is here x to the power m minus 1, here it is n minus 1. Okay, basically these two all are coming from the standard form, this one. Clear? Whatever the form, another form you can see, basically all are coming from the your original. Clear? Another form you have, most important, that is your third one, is very important. Okay, basically another form 0 to infinity, just a minute, you can write simple form, that is beta mn is equals to 0 to pi by 2 sine to the power 2m minus 1 theta cos to the power 2n minus 1 theta d theta. Okay, clear? Okay, so this is most important formula. Okay, and basically during exam time, during calculation wise, this problem can be rewrite like this, like 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2 sine to the power p theta cos to the power q theta d theta is equals to 1 by 2 beta p plus 1 by 2 q plus 1 by 2. Okay, so basically this formula is coming from here. When you put 2m minus 1 is equals to p and 2n minus 1 is equals to q, then you will get this one. Basically, if you have any question similar based on your sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, this formula is very, very helpful to you. Very, very helpful. Clear? Okay. Now, please write down. Please write down. Now, so this is the different forms already have discussed. Now, I'll give some properties. So please write down. Now, properties. Some important property you have gamma, that is beta wise. Beta 1 comma 1 is equals to 1. Number 2, beta half comma half. Basically it is coming pi. These are the important results. Another most important result you have, that is beta mn, gamma m, gamma n, gamma m plus n. So this is the most important property between beta function and gamma function. Okay, another property you have, that is beta mn is equals to beta nm. By mistake, if you replace m value by n value or n value by n value, basically you will get the same result. So there is a symmetry. Beta mn is equals to beta nm. Okay, now I'm going to solve some question based on this beta. Okay, so now try to understand this. Question number 1. Suppose you want to solve, suppose 0 to infinity, not 0 to infinity, pi by 2, you have sine to the power 4x dx. Clear? 4x dx. Okay, first you write down 0 to infinity sine to the power px cos to the power qx dx is equals to 1 by 2 beta p plus 1 by 2 q plus 1 by 2. Clear? So here your requirement is 0 to pi by 2 and sine and cos. Do you have any cos? No. So you need to rewrite this. That is 0 by 2 sine to the power sine to the power 4x and cos to the power 0 into x dx. Okay, so now you compare, and during exam time you need to rewrite this. You need to write so that you can compare. Okay, now so what is your p here? Here what is your p? This p is equals to 4. What is your q? Q is equals to 0. Very good. Now you write down the formula. So from here you may write down 1 by 2 beta p plus 1 by 2 q plus 1 by 2. Clear? So here beta, what is p? P is equals to 4 plus 1 by 2 q 0 plus 1 by 2. Clear? So from here you may write 1 by 2 beta, it is coming 5 by 2 comma 1 by 2. Is it okay? Is it clear? Okay. Very simple. You need to identify what is your P and what is your Q. If you know, then within a minute you can find the answer. Now it is clear to everyone? Okay, now come to the next slide. Basically what you have, 1 by 2 beta, how much? 5 by 2, 5 by 2 comma 1 by 2, correct? So what is your formula? Beta gamma relation. Beta mn is equals to gamma m, gamma n by gamma m plus n. So you write down. So 1 by 2 gamma 5 by 2 gamma 1 by 2 by gamma 5 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So from here we may write, what is your gamma 5 by 2? Gamma 5 by 2 is equals to, basically already you know the basic, 3 by 2, 1 by 2 and gamma half. So ultimately it is coming 3 by 2 into 1 by 2 into root pi. Already you know that. So here you may write 3 by 2 into 1 by 2 into root pi. So already in my gamma function already have discussed how to get this result. Basically it is coming from this formula, n plus 1 gamma n plus 1 n gamma n. If you can go, check your last video based on your gamma function, then you can understand clearly. Okay, now gamma half is equals to root pi. Okay, so basically this gamma, this one is coming from here and this one is coming from here. Okay, next gamma 5 by 2 plus 1 by 2, 5 by 2 plus 1 by 2, that is 6 by 2 is coming, ultimately 3. So here you may write gamma 3. What is your gamma 3? Already you know. So from here you may write 1 by 2 is outside, you write down 3 by 2 into 1 by 2 into pi, root pi into root pi, pi. And gamma 3 you may write, what is your gamma 3? Gamma 3 you may write gamma 2 plus 1, you may write factorial 2, that is coming factorial 2. Clear? Is it clear to all of you? Okay. Suppose you have a question in your mind, so can I simplify? Yes, why not? You can simplify. But here I am not simplifying, I'm discussing. Okay, then you can simplify 2 to cancel, 1 by 3, 1 by, just you can multiply 3 by 2 into 1 by 2, that is 3 by 4 and so on. Whatever the multiplication part is coming, you multiply. Is it clear to all of you? Okay, very good. Now clear? Okay, now come to the second type question. Type 2. Suppose you have a question 0 to pi by 2 sine to the power 3x cos to the power 5x into dx. Same process. First you need to write 0 to pi by 2 sine to the power px cos to the power qx dx is equals to 1 by 2 beta p plus 1 by 2 q plus 1 by 2. Okay, it's very easy, very easy. So now what is your p here? P is equals to 3. What is your q here? Q is equals to 5. Just substitute. So 1 by 2 beta p plus 1 by 2 q plus 1 by 2. Suppose here I am writing p plus 1 by 2 q plus 1 by 2. Why? Because of this. So during exam time, so you need to write down the formula so that anyone can understand what is p and what is q. Okay, so anyone can understand. Clear? First you comparing, then if you write, then only anyone can understand. By comparing, your p is coming 3 and q is coming 5, and you have mentioned this information based on this formula. So don't forget to mention this expression. Okay, now 1 by 2 beta 3 plus 1 by 2 and 5 plus 1 by 2. Ultimately, it is coming 1 by 2 beta 2 comma 3. Clear? Now already you know most important relation beta mn is equals to gamma n by gamma m plus n. Correct? Already you know that. Most important relation, beta gamma relation, m plus n. I want to apply here. Now, so it is coming 1 by 2 gamma 2 gamma 3 by gamma 2 plus 3. So ultimately it is coming 1 by 2 gamma 2 gamma 3 by gamma 5. Clear? What about the formula? Already you know the formula. Gamma n plus 1 is equals to how much? Factorial n. Basically it is coming 1 by 2 is here, gamma n plus 1. Gamma n plus 1 means factorial n when n is an integer. Correct? When n is an integer. Correct? So what will be the gamma 2? Gamma 2 is equals to gamma 1 plus 1, that is factorial 1 means 1. Gamma 3 is equals to gamma 2 plus 1, that is factorial 2 means 2, and gamma 5 is equals to gamma 4 plus 1 is equals to factorial 4. So here you may write factorial 1, factorial 2 and factorial. Again, if you want to simplify, you can simplify, but whatever I have mentioned up to last line, totally based on formula wise. Clear? Formula wise I am writing. Okay. Is it clear to all of you? Okay. Very good. Now I am going to solve another most important question. First question only sign wise, where your cosine part is absent. There may be a chance to see only cosine part may be given, sine part may be absent. The process same. You need to write the with power 0, sine part power 0 and cosine part whatever you have given. Here I have considered where n sine and cosine part are both present. Both. Okay. Now I am going to solve another type of question, that not different type, same type, but it is different form. That is another question you have, that is your 0 to pi by 2 root under 10x dx. Okay, now this is basically is a famous question from your engineering entrance point of view, very famous question. Now same question you have in your BTech first semester. Okay, now we can solve this question by using beta function. Now try to understand how to implement this concept. So 0 to pi by 2 sine to the power px cos to the power qx dx is equals to 1 by 2 beta p plus 1 by 2 q plus 1 by 2. Okay, now so first we can rewrite this 0 to pi by 2 sine, this basically tan is sine by cos. So here you may write root under sine x by root under cos x. So from here you may write 0 to pi by 2, that is sine x to the power half and cos x to the power minus half. Already you know, if you take in denominator, the numerator it will be minus power. Okay, so now if we can compare what is the value of p here, what is p? P is equals to 1 by 2. What is q? Q is equals to 1 by minus 1 by 2. Okay, now you write down the formula, that is 1 by 2 beta p plus 1 by 2 q plus 1 by 2. Already you know what is P, what is Q, substitute here. So 1 by 2 is coming beta. P is equals to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, comma, minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So ultimately it is coming 1 by 2 beta. If you take LCM, it is coming 3 by 4 after simplification, and here it is coming 1 minus this, that is coming 1 by 4. Please check. Please check. Now your result is coming half beta 3 by 4 and 1 by 4. Now you can apply your beta gamma relation. Already you know that. Already in my last problem already have discussed. Okay. So please write down next line. That is, so what about the last? That is your half is equals to half beta 3 by 4 1 by 4 you have. What is your relation beta gamma? That is beta mn is equals to gamma m gamma n by gamma m plus n. Now you use it. 1 by 2 gamma 3 by 4 gamma 1 by 4 by gamma 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4. Clear? So from here you may write 1 by 2. Now gamma 3 by 4 gamma 1 by 4 by basically 3 plus 1 by 4 by 4, basically it is coming gamma 1. So ultimately we have gamma basically 1 by 4 gamma 3 by 4. So gamma 1 already you know. Gamma, what is the gamma 1 value? Gamma 1 is the first one. So already we have this result. I have rearranged it 1 by 4 in first and then second. Now you know one important formula you have, gamma m gamma 1 minus m is equals to pi by sine m pi you have. Already you know that. Correct? So we want to implement the same concept here. Is equals to 1 by 2. What is m? M is equals to 1 by 4. Gamma 1 by 4. So gamma 1 minus 1 by 4. So from here you may write 1 by 2 pi by sine pi by 4. So ultimately it is coming pi 1 by 2 pi sine pi by 4 1 by root 2. Ultimately it is coming pi by root 2. Okay. So this is the solution of this type of question. Okay. So based on this lecture, if it is clear, then you may practice 0 to pi by 2 root under cot x dx. Okay. Now practice, and please focus on the process, not problem. If concept is clear how to find the p value, q value using the formula, you can find all types of solution based on your beta function. Clear? Okay. Now thank you everyone.